Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let us talk about something that affects millions of men but is often kept under wraps: prostate health. Are you tired of those constant trips to the bathroom, especially the ones that wake you up in the middle of the night? Do you ever feel like you can't fully empty your bladder, no matter how hard you try? If you're nodding along, you're not alone. This is a common issue called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, where the prostate gland gets larger with age. While it's a natural part of aging for many, it can seriously mess with your quality of life. But what if I told you that a simple, natural, and affordable solution might already be in your kitchen pantry? No, it's not some miracle cure, but it's a powerful natural ally that has been used for centuries. Today, we're diving deep into the surprising benefits of nettle tea for prostate health. Stick around, because this could be a game changer for you or someone you know. So, what exactly is this nettle stuff? You might know it as that stinging plant you're told to avoid on hikes. But when dried and steeped into a tea, stinging nettle transforms into a soothing, medicinal powerhouse. For centuries, traditional medicine has revered nettle for its anti-inflammatory properties, and modern science is finally catching up. Specifically, nettle root extract has been the star of numerous studies focused on prostate health. Here's how it works. BPH symptoms are often caused by hormonal changes, particularly involving testosterone and an enzyme called 5-beta-reductase. The compounds found in nettle root are believed to inhibit this enzyme and interact with certain hormones that contribute to the growth of prostate cells. Think of it like this: nettle tea gently steps in and helps regulate the processes that cause the prostate to enlarge in the first place. This, in turn, can help reduce the pressure on your urethra, leading to a stronger urine stream and fewer frustrating trips to the restroom. It's a gentle, natural way to support your body's balance. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds great, but does it actually work? Let's look at the science. Several clinical studies have explored the effects of nettle root on BPH symptoms. One study published in the Journal of Herbal Pharmacotherapy, found that men who took nettle extract over 6 months experienced a significant improvement in urinary flow and a reduction in post-void residual volume. The annoying feeling of not being able to empty your bladder completely. Another piece of research combined nettle root with another well-known prostate helper, saw palmetto, and found that the duo was just as effective as some conventional medications in relieving symptoms, but with far fewer side effects. The key takeaway from the research is that nettle seems to work by addressing inflammation and hormonal pathways, which are two of the root causes of prostate discomfort. It's not just masking the symptoms, it's helping your body from the inside out. One of the best things about nettle tea is how easy it is to incorporate into your daily routine. Unlike coffee or black tea, nettle tea is naturally caffeine-free. This is a huge plus, especially for those of us struggling with an overactive bladder. Caffeinated drinks can irritate the bladder and make you need to go even more often. The last thing you want when you're already dealing with BPH with nettle tea. You can enjoy a warm, comforting cup in the morning to start your day right, or even have one in the evening without worrying about it keeping you up all night. In fact, by helping to reduce those nighttime bathroom runs, it might actually help you get better, more restorative sleep. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed instead of groggy from being up and down all night. It's a small change that can make a massive difference in your overall energy and mood. But the benefits of this humble herb don't stop at the prostate. Nettle is an absolute nutritional superstar. It's packed with vitamins like A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron, magnesium, and calcium. It's also loaded with antioxidants, which are compounds that fight off cellular damage and reduce inflammation throughout your entire body. So, while you're sipping this tea for your prostate, you're also giving your immune system a boost, supporting your bone health, and promoting overall wellness. Think of it as a multi-purpose health tonic. It's a simple, holistic way to take care of yourself. When you focus on reducing inflammation and nourishing your body with essential nutrients, everything starts to function a little better. It's not about isolating one problem. It's about supporting the entire system. And nettle tea does that beautifully. So, how do you get started? It's incredibly simple. You can find nettle tea bags or loose-leaf dried nettle at most health food stores or online. If you're using tea bags, just steep one in a cup of hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you're using loose-leaf nettle, use about 1 teaspoon per cup of water and let it steep for the same amount of time. You can use a tea infuser or just strain the leaves out before drinking. The taste is mild, earthy, and slightly grassy. Many people find it quite pleasant. If you want to jazz it up, you can add a squeeze of lemon or a small spoonful of honey. The important thing is consistency. Try to aim for 1 to 2 cups a day. Like any natural remedy, this isn't an overnight fix. It's about making a consistent, healthy habit. Give your body time to respond. It could take a few weeks or even a couple of months to notice a real difference. Patience is your best friend on this journey. Now, it's crucial to have a responsible conversation here. While nettle tea is a fantastic natural supplement, It is not a replacement for professional medical advice. If your symptoms are severe, if you see blood in your urine, or if you're in significant pain, you need to see a doctor. These could be signs of a more serious condition. Think of Nettle tea as a supportive player on your team, not the entire team itself. It works best when combined with other healthy lifestyle choices. Are you eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables? Are you getting regular exercise? Are you managing your stress levels? All of these factors play a huge role in prostate health. Combining Nettle tea with a healthy lifestyle creates a powerful synergy that can lead to the best possible results. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you're already on medication, to make sure there are no interactions. Let's quickly recap. An enlarged prostate, or BPH, can be a major source of frustration, affecting your sleep, your confidence, and your daily life. But nature offers us gentle, effective solutions, like Nettle tea. Backed by both traditional use and modern research, Nettle tea can help reduce inflammation, support healthy urinary flow, and ease the uncomfortable symptoms of BPH. It's caffeine-free, packed with nutrients, and easy to make a part of your daily routine. By enjoying a cup or two a day, you're not just supporting your prostate, you're nurturing your entire body. Remember, consistency is key, and it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. You don't have to just accept these symptoms as an inevitable part of aging. There are proactive, natural steps you can take to feel better and regain control. So, why not give it a try? The next time you're at the store, pick up a box of Nettle tea. It's a small, affordable investment in your long-term health and comfort. Sometimes, the most profound changes come from the simplest habits. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to share it with a friend, brother, or father who might benefit from this information. For more tips on living a healthier, more natural life, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.